Hello, this is KRWBIN and welcome to KRWBIN. Today we're going to pack one of our braiding kits for one of our customers. You would choose KRWBIN Braiding Kit, and in the drop-down menu you would pick the type of braiding hair or weaving hair that you would like to receive. And then inside the box, if you pick your braiding hair, you'll get 4 to 6 packs of braiding hair in the item that you have selected, or you would get the weaving hair, the amount of packs that come in the item you selected for the weaving hair. You'll also get an edge scarf, some straight hairpins, and you'll get one of our beautiful pre-made miniature makeup bags that will already be printed for your delight. We'll include a OMG spa headband, your mini makeup bag, and also a just accessory bag. And then for this customer, we threw in complimentary crochet hair that she'll be able to add a style to. We'll give you one of our KRWBIN brushes, and your package is ready to go. Happy New Year!